What up, YouTube? It's your boy Clux, and today I'm back with another video, man. Yeah, as you can see, man, today we have a tent because it's raining. I'll show you guys. Today we have a Honda Accord 2010. I'm doing ambient lighting on the dash here, over there, on the back door, and that should be done. But honestly, this car gonna be easy because I've done it like at least 5 times, I think. Because bro, this car is like my car, so everything, all the bolts, the screws, the clips, I know about it. So let's get right into it. The first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove the door panel, and then I'm gonna do the dash. Then we should be good. The first door is out. So it looks. Right now, I'm gonna remove the two bag on the right side, and then get to work, right? All right, guys, I just finished the first light on the dash. That's how it came out. Right now, I'm gonna pass the wires, and then after that, I'm gonna connect the door panel, tap in right here for the power, and that was a free game right there. And yeah, right now I'm gonna put this right here. Like I'm gonna put it right here, so it can match with this one, and then it's gonna go like this, boom, to the door and to the back. It's gonna be tough, trust me, man. All right, guys, it's been like 50 minutes, 20 minutes, and so far, that's how it looks. That's that side. I was just testing it because you never know. But imagine install it and then it doesn't work. That's gonna be tough. But yeah, I just gotta pass the lines, connect it to the power, and then put the doors, and then it should be good. All right, guys, I just finished everything with the door. You can see it right there. All the way down. And then I got this one right here. I got that one done, and doing the back. So right now, all I gotta do is I gotta connect this to the power. Right here, boom. And then put this right here, and then we're done, man. All right, guys, that's how it came out on the door. Yep. You can change the color to whatever you want to. Yeah, you fuck with it?
This is 5 years, bro.
Get the back. That one too. That's how it looks from the outside. Yep. Let's get one more look. It's a door.